Deep within a forest of dreams, where moonlight speaks and the stars listen.
A little heart went missing one night, but destiny had written a journey.
This is the tale of two sisters, a lost friend, and the magic that brought them home again. It began like any other joyful day, until the wind led them toward the unknown.
On a bright morning by the forest stream, sisters Ponnu and Kuttu played with their curious cat Pooppy, unaware that this joyful day would lead to a great adventure.
Careful, little one. The river's ticklish today.
I'm sorry. I can't help with that.
In the heart of the jungle stream, playful Pooppy dives beneath the water, then pops up triumphantly with a wriggling fish.
Kuttu, don't tease him like that. I just wanted to see the fish. Oh no, he's running away.
Dude, no! Stop! Come back right now! Wait! Don't run into the forest!
In a heartbeat, joy vanished, the forest called, and Bittu answered.
We lost Pooppy again, no? Maybe she's gone deeper into the forest. Should we wait till morning or go now itself? Let's go now, yaar. She must be scared alone inside. The forest looks so dark. What if Pooppy got lost deeper inside? We'll find him. We just need to be brave. Do you hear that sound? It's coming from inside. I heard it too. Maybe it's just the wind. Ponu, what if Pooppy went this way? Maybe. Let's call her once more. Pooppy! Pooppy! Kuttu, something is watching us from up there. Do not be scared, Ponu. Maybe it is just the wind. Kuttu, what is that? It looks so big. Run, Ponu. Do not look back. Kuttu, it's coming after us. Quick, Ponu. Hide behind those rocks. Kuttu, is he gone? Wait, he's still looking. Do not move.
I'm sorry. I can't assist with that. Hurry! I can't assist that. Effect.
He's gone, Kuttu. That was so close. Yes, let's move before he comes back. Oh no, it's moving! Run! That's a snake! Kuttu, run this way! They're so close. Look at they shine. Kuttu, come to it. We'll hide behind that tree. Yes. Hurry. Are they gone? Shh. Stay still. Just wait. Kuttu, they're gone. Come on. Finally. Let's keep moving. Kuttu, look there. It's a tiger. Stay still. Maybe it just wants to pass. Kuttu, don't move. It's gone. Thank God. Run, Ponu, run! Don't look back. Just go. Are you sure this boat is safe? Hold tight, Kuttu. We'll cross together. No, look. The sky looks like it's glowing. It's so quiet. I love this moment. Are
I hope Pooppy isn't missing us too much.
Pooppy will be fine. We'll be home soon. We made it, Ponu.
Yes, safe at last.
Here. What is it? It's Pooppy's footprint. It is too dark now. We will stay here. Okay, that's good. I am feeling hungry. Good night, Ponu.
Good night, Kuttu. We'll find Pooppy tomorrow. It's so late. They haven't come back yet.
Don't worry. They're brave girls. They'll be safe. Try to rest. We'll search again at sunrise.
I hope they find their way home soon.
Wake up. The sun is out already.
Good morning, Kuttu. Time to move again.
Ponu, listen. That sounds like a waterfall.
Yes. Let's go see Bay. It must be beautiful.
Kuttu, this water is so cold.
Feels amazing after all that running.
Kuttu, look at this place. It's like a dream. Yes, Ponu. It's so beautiful. I could stay here forever. Ponu? Is that a mermaid?
Yes, Kuttu. She's real and so beautiful.
Don't be afraid, dear sisters. I know you're looking for Pooppy. You know about our cat? Please, can you help us? Come with me. The river will show you wonders. Wow, we're really going under the water. Everything here is so magical. Look, a pearl palace. It's magnificent. Ponu, look at that palace. It's shining like stars.
It's more beautiful than I ever imagined.
Kuttu, she's the sea queen.
Welcome, children of the land. The sea has been waiting for you.
Take these pearls, dear ones. They will guide you to the fantasy palace.
Thank you, Your Majesty. They're so beautiful. Thank you for everything.
May your journey be safe, dear sisters.
Shore is near. Follow the river to the shining palace.
Thank you. We won't forget you. She was so kind. I wish we could meet again. Come on, let's find Pooppy. Uncle, may we please have some water?
Of course, child. Here, drink slowly.
Come inside, daughters. You must be tired from the journey.
Thank you, Uncle. We are so glad to find someone here.
Come in, my dears. Lunch is ready.
Thank you, Auntie. It's here. It smells lovely.
Eat well, children. You both look so hungry.
Thank you, Auntie. This feels just like home.
Go safe, daughters. The village will miss you.
Thank you, Uncle, for everything.
Our bag. That naughty monkey took it.
No.
It's going that way. No, our bag. That naughty monkey took it. Oh no. Come on, let's get it back before it disappears.
That little thief is too fast.
I'll catch him this time. Watch me. It was close, but I got it back.
Good job, Kuttu. Now, let's find the way ahead.
The sky looks scary.
Yes. Kuttu? The sky looks scary.
Yes. It's raining so hard. There, let's run to that hut. It's raining so hard. Let's run to that hut.
Come inside, dear ones. You must be tired and cold.
Thank you, Amma. The rain was really strong.
This tea will warm you up.
It's so good, thank you.
Beyond the river, atop the blue hill, lies the Fantasy Palace.
Where your cat, Pooppy, waits.
Go, my dears. The hill will guide you home.
Thank you, Amma. We'll never forget you.
This spot is perfect to rest.
Yes, listen to the water. Ready to go, Kuttu? Yes, Anne. Let's find the hill. That bridge looks old but sturdy.
Careful. Step slowly.
By the river where the sun gleams bright, Ponu laughs and Kuttu steps in line. Slow river, join our dance, hearts together in wild romance. Laughter echoes, wind and wave, this joyous song will always say. Golden dusk and spirits free, river breeze keep dancing we.
This light is so peaceful. It makes me brave. Look, Ponu, a temple up ahead. Yes, let's go and ask there. Namaste, Auntie. Your flowers are beautiful. Thank you, child. Yes, Auntie. We just came by road. Take it, child. Offer inside. Auntie, this garland is so lovely.
Please offer this for us.
May blessings be with you both.
Don't worry. You will find your cat today.
How cute she is. Her words feel like a blessing. Yes, we will find Whisk soon. Kuttu, we've reached. The palace. It's so beautiful.
Excuse me, can we meet someone inside?
Yes, please come in. I'll guide you to the control room.
This place looks so magical. Yes, Ponu. Like a dream.
Is this how you control the palace?
Yes, everything runs from here.
My sister is not well.
Don't worry, I'll take you to the doctor.
Kuttu, you're going to be just fine.
Thank you, doctor.
This treatment will help you recover fast.
Thank you, doctor, for caring so much.
Yes, please. You should meet the king.
Thank you for guiding us. This place feels alive.
Everything here is glowing. They look alive with light.
Like stars underwater.
The garden is singing. It feels alive.
Come on, Kuttu, it's safe.
It feels like walking on stars.
Kuttu, they are alive.
It's like magic everywhere. Kuttu, listen, they are singing with us. It's beautiful.
You are here to meet the king.
Yes, please. We were guided here.
It is beautiful beyond words.
Do you think it understands us?
This world is magical. We are flying in a dream.
This garden feels alive. It is like walking inside a dream. This bridge shines like magic. They are guiding us to the palace. Kuttu, this must be the king's chamber. It feels like magic all around us.
Your Majesty, we seek help.
Come closer, dear ones.
Your Majesty, we are looking for our cat Pooppy.
Do not worry, child. We will help you.
Please tell us about Pooppy.
A white cat, you say?
We may have seen it. Will he help us now?
Send word to Grishma.
Ah, Grishma, we were waiting for you.
Your Majesty, I came as you wished.
Grishma, you know about the forest creature, don't you?
Yes, Majesty, it's with me. But they must not be hurt.
Wait, Grishma. You're here too. Yes, dear cousin. And I have something to tell you.
Grishma, what are you hiding?
There's something. Someone you've been looking for. Ponnu, Kuttu, your mother is my auntie.
Then you're our cousin.
It's really you, Grishma. We missed you so much.
Ponnu, I'm so happy to see you again.
After I found Pooppy in the forest, I brought him here to the palace. So, you've been living here since then?
King and Queen welcomed me. And Pooppy too.
That's so kind of them.
Is that Pooppy? My Pooppy?
Yes, Ponnu. My Pooppy has been safe with you all this time.
Pooppy, I missed you so much.
I found Pooppy in the forest that night, and I kept him safe for you.
Look who's here!
Pooppy, it's really you. Your Majesty, we thank you from our hearts.
Your kindness shines brighter than magic.
Ponnu, Kuttu, you've brought us joy.
Join us tonight, Hal, for the royal feast.
Welcome, dear ones, to our royal feast.
Thank you, Your Majesty. It's truly...
You've brought joy to our palace. This is our gift to you.
Ponnu Chechi, it's glowing.
It's a blessing from the palace. Look, Kuttu.
That light.
Ponnu, you've brought peace to our home.
We'll remember you always.
Thank you. We'll miss you too.
I'll miss you, Ponnu. And Pooppy too.
We'll visit again, Grishma. Promise. We'll never forget this place.
Yes, Didi. It feels like a dream. Look, Didi. Even the clouds are shining for us. Yes, Kuttu. It feels like a dream. We're finally home, Kuttu. And Pooppy too.
My children, you have come back.
Yes, we all are at home now.
Welcome back, my girls.
And so, Ponnu and Kuttu's journey came to a joyful end. From the deep rivers to the magical palace, they found courage, kindness, and the strength of family. With Pooppy safely back in their arms and hearts full of memories, they learned that love always finds its way home.
As the sun rose over their village once more, the world felt brighter, a little more magical, because of two sisters and one very special cat.